Instant Pot review. Have you wondered exactly what is Instant Pot? Is it one of those smart kitchen gadgets that one can have at home? Welcome to this channel, Homemaking Made Simple for Modern Women. I'm going to review Instant Pot to see exactly what it looks like. I have a friend who used one and I saw how easy it is to use and how time-saving it is. So I bought one for myself and I'm going to open it so we all take a look at it and see exactly what it looks like. So let's dive right in. In this video, I'm doing Instant Pot review. I'm using 6 quarts because that is the smallest one I found. This is 7-in-1 6 quart instant pot. So I'm going to open this. So the story about me buying this instant pot is I saw a friend of mine uses this a lot. I always ask her exactly what does this do, and she said, oh, this is amazing. It's one of the smart kitchen gadgets you can have home. So I saw she made some meals and I'm amazed with it. So I bought this for myself and I want to see exactly what it looks like, what it comes out. So this is it. This is what it looks like. Have the top. Alright, so with this we have the cover. This is the cover here. And then I can see it comes with some manual. Oh, this is like the cook time table that comes with it. And then it has this rack. So this is the steam rack that comes with it. And then this little plastic is the test. It says this is condensation collector. And this is actual manual that comes with it. You see? Oh, and then it has the plug. Take this out. Alright, so this is the plug that comes with it as well. And then it also have some safety warning little papers that comes with it. And let's take a look. So this is the actual bowl. This is a stainless inner pot. When you look inside, the maximum is 2/3 that you can go. You are cooking in it. So this is what it looks like. Looks neat. I like it. So this is the 6 quart, the actual instant pot. And this is the base. So this is where when you put your things in the instant pot, the actual container, and then you set it in here. And this is when you set it, and then it push this down. So this is the element, the actual element inside there. It looks neat. I like this. Then it has instructions how to use it, all the manual that how to use it, everything. Alright, so this is where you plug it in. So this is the bottom of this one. Then you just plug this in as you see the image. Align it. Oh, that is easy. So that is easy to plug in. And then you plug this into the power outlet. It looks neat. I like it. The size is good. So this is a 6 quart size and the instant pot. And so this goes in here. And then let's take a look at the manual. And we know this is the steam rack with a handle that goes with it. So those are the things that comes with it. You have the steam rack with a handle. You have the condensation collector that goes with it. So you have the cover. And this is the steam releaser. This one here. This is how you can control after you cook to close it. And then when the meal is done, to release the heat before opening it. So this is what you use to control that. So you can see here the inside, so you can see right in here. Then you have the lid position marker. So to close this, you have to align this. There is a pin here that controls the lid like that, this pin here. So you want to align this right here. You just set it in here and then twist it. Once you twist this, you can see how the pin comes out. See the pin right here? So once you twist it, the pin goes in and then it locks it in. And then that's it, it's locked. And then you can lift this up yourself. And once it's locked, you don't worry, you can just lift it up as well. You want to open it, just twist it to the left and it opens, and then twist it to the right and then it closes. So that's that one. Now let's see what features that comes with this. So with the features, you have the soup. You can make soup broth. You have meat stew, and then you have beans chili. You can make poultry, slow cook. You have saute. This is the pressure level here you can use to adjust. You have delay and start. You have to keep warm also here, and then you have the cancel button. You have the button for rice, multi-grains, porridge, steam, yogurt. You can make yogurt with this too. That's that's interesting. And then you have the pressure cook also. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 features that comes with it. And then you have the plus minus. This is where you adjust the low pressure, the high pressure, and then you have the less. So depending on how you use this minus and then the plus buttons, that is what controls this pressure level here. You have the low pressure and then the high pressure. So that's that one that comes with this. I think it's cool. You can do so many things with this. This is amazing. This is the manual that gives you instructions. So you have the manual that comes with it. So all the features that comes with it, and then this has every instructions that you need, and that's that one. And then we have the cooking timetable, and this is interesting because with all fruits, let's open this up. Oh, wow, so you have everything. When you are cooking beans, any fruit and vegetables, you have a time on it. It tells you how long to cook it. This is really good. Oh wow. This is very, very interesting. So you don't have to worry about how long do I have to cook this meal. You have the instructions on each. If you are cooking legumes, you have like beans and all that. You have all that here and here as well. So give you instruction on how to cook. So there's 2 languages on here. They have English and then I don't know which language is this one. Probably French, I don't know. But there's 2 languages, English and another language. So that really will help you a lot. Yeah. So that's all that comes with this. So I'm using this in my kitchen. This is really good. It's interesting, really. With using one pot for everything in your kitchen, right? You can use this for anything you want. And it's easy to use. You have all the instructions that comes with it, you know, and the inside you know exactly how to use this. It's not hard. You have instructions that walks you through it. I think this is really good. So as you can see, well, we've just reviewed Instant Pot, and I think it's something that I would love to use. Even to make yogurt, I don't know if you can use Instant Pot to make yogurt. So with this, I think this is really, really good. Anyone can have their kitchen, and I think this is one of the smart kitchen gadgets every woman can have. And so I am going to keep this. Remember, this is a 6-pot, and I think there are other pots all out there. So, but I'm going to test this out, and then it is good, and I'll try the other one as well. So I hope this video helps you. If you are interested in Instant Pot, I'm going to leave a link below the description of this video, and test drive it. See, it's not that expensive. It's something you have in your kitchen, one of the smart kitchen gadgets you can have on your kitchen counter, and use it as you want. You can make your meal and then leave it for as long as you want. Go to any woman can have in their kitchen. So I hope this video helps you. There's going to be another video on another Instant Pot that I hope that video helps you as well, and thank you for watching my videos. If you are first time here, subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me, and I'll get back as always. I thank you for watching my video. Stay healthy, stay blessed. See you on the next. Bye.